Okay, see where we got up to, because I have no idea. Disable them two, and might as well 3. I mean, I've been thinking about this bit. I think what needs to happen here is this needs to follow the thickness, and this bit needs to be separate. So gotta figure that out. And there. Jesus, we hadn't think of doing it. Into there, right. See if I can explain why. I think these bits would be better if they were part of the floor or the undercarriages, I've called it. I've added a undercarriage folder there. Well, you weren't watching. Right, so what we'll do is we shall detach that. Now remove my buttons. There we go. Selection. Right. So rename it and leave it in here for now under carriage. Right, so these so what's the point of going? Where has the point of going? I'm not in play again, am I? No. Oh, it's locked to 3D cursor, isn't it? Right, so oh man, what are you doing? Right, so that to there. Should also put that to active element. Extrude to there. Then we shall scale Y, pull that shape round, or merge distance. And you do the one down here. Extrude there. Yeah. So we get a little bit of what? So that needs to follow around there, doesn't it? Whoa, got dizzy there. I wonder if I like that to there. There. Yeah, don't I feel really dizzy? What's going on? So, tell you what, if we extrude X to that one, pardon me. Of course, there's loads there. Um, Hang on, if they aren't out as 4. Another one in there. Right, so let's grab this line again. Not that one. No, that one. Right, we'll leave them off. Not that there. Is that a good idea also? What's going on with my eyes? Right. Right. That's never one. No. That might cause a bit of trouble there. So just G and Z and snap it down to that one. G, Z and snap it down to that one. Get rid of snap that to there. Yes. Kind of need to repair this one as well, don't we? Don't I? Right, I don't think that's taken that out too far. No, still looks good. But whoa, just having a stretch. Seriously? Yeah. The problem is, yeah, if we extend that down, I'll make it away with this actually. Actually, could do with doing the front first, I think. Oh, come on, look at this mouse. Right, so there you go. I shall deselect that one. I shall just extend, extrude X, scale X 0. These may be way too thick for the thickness. Yeah. Thinking These can it be that thick? Pretty sure me previous ones weren't. Worrying how thick that is actually. That has to be that thick, shall I say. Come on. For the doors. So gotta go into there. There's an edge through there. Definitely think that's too thick. So I'll tell you what, let's add to there also. Go back. Not far, but might be a little better. Can I get rid of it on a scale like 0? Oh, come on. Seriously, this mouse. Just sent me that. End up getting whiplash of it. I think that's actually possible though. Just bring it to there, where we think it might be. And then we can just snap it to there. Oh, you see what I'm saying? We have two edges here. Gonna have to do that. Come on, mouse. That's going to cause a problem there, isn't it? Let's see how that looks. Do all merge distance. Get to there, extrude Y. Forward, scale Y0. Probably needs to come down here anyway, doesn't it? So, grab them, bring it down here. Do it this time. Go. Oh, don't know what I'm laughing at. Okay. That's the interior and not the exterior. Oh well. That can extrude to there. Oh, tell you what. It's not merged just in case that's touching something. Wow, that is so thick. I'm gonna have to figure a way around this, I'm afraid. Nope, hiccup, great. Oh, merge distance. All merge distance. Bring that down so it leaves a gap in there also. There. Right, I'm still not happy with that thickness. It looks ridiculously thick. Again, that's the thickness of the doors. Anyway, that is look hideous. Just stick a crease back on it. And I realise why on earth did you do it all the way over there? Also needs to come here. Seriously? It's amazing how it sees a different path to what you see. So annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that there still. Still not sure what to do about that. I still think it's majorly thick. Scary thick. There you go. Let's put that in there. Since that's on 20 minutes nearly, we shall extra. No, we'll just scale. Let's get all that shape of it. Scale Y. Stay close. Needs a thickness. Go. Yarp. Everything. Oh, do this one as well. Right, nearly there. On the front of the interior, dash, seats, etc. Okay, Control S. Hit save. Don't know why I'm telling you that, because it's not a tutorial. Okay, catch you shortly in the next one.